Let's go to PortUnion G2 test route number 2. And you have to park your car at the back of the building and look around before starting with the right indicator. Look around before starting, change gear to drive and go right here and look around here. And when you pass through this area, there's so many cars are standing, so many pedestrians are around here. Make sure you watch everybody around here and go straight here. Before coming in this area, make sure you check everywhere, look around, nobody's here. Yeah, good, go straight. And then example is going to tell you take a right from the first street. Take a right here. And then speed limit is 40 in this area. Make sure don't exceed the speed limit. And don't go too close to the standing car. This again always stop sign. Make sure stop completely at the always stop sign. Look around. We are the first one here. We'll go. And speed limit is 40. Be careful about the speed limit. Don't exceed speed limit in this area. Don't go too close to the standing cars. Look around everywhere. And speed limit is 40. Don't exceed it. Go between 35 to 40. That's a good speed. Look around. Look on all these streets. Pass through any intersection. Just look around them. We'll take a left from the first street. Take a left. Take a left from this street. And in this street, after taking here, examiner is going to tell you to do uphill and downhill, 3-point turn, parallel parking. There is a signal blind spot. We are going to do all these 3-point turn, parallel parking here. And we are not going to teach everything here. For that you can watch my another videos, but just for to go out back, like I'm going to do the 3-point turn, but for the proper way of doing it, you can watch my another video. Just look around before starting everywhere. The left indicator, look around. The right indicator, look around everywhere. Nobody's coming. And go back. And look around everywhere. Left indicator, look around, MSB, and then go back. The next stop sign I'm going to tell you, take left here. This stop sign is only for us, and there's a white line there. You stop completely here on the white line, and then you can't see properly. Go further ahead, check. Anyone coming? No one is coming. I'll take left here, and then next street I'm going to take a right. Right, speed limit is still 40 here. This whole area is 40. And then next stop sign I'm going to take to right from the next stop sign. That's a Shepherd. On the Shepherd, speed limit is 60. We'll take a right here and stop again from the first line. White thick line, stop here, complete stop for 3 seconds. Go further ahead, check anyone coming, no pedestrian coming. Yeah, no car is also coming, so I can take a right. It's safe to do so. Yeah, I will take a right. Speed limit is 60 on Shepherd. I'll go to 60. Yeah, look around, look back every 5 seconds. We should know what is going on behind us. Right from the next traffic light. We'll take a right here. Look around, everything is good. I'll take a right here. And speed limit is again 40 here. Don't exceed speed limit. Look around, look in these streets. Sometimes they ask parallel parking, everything in these streets also. So make sure you check everything, every street. And at the end of this video, make sure you watch my 3-point turn parallel parking videos also. Yeah, look around. Everything is good. Yeah. Scan through any intersection. And this is again always stop sign. I'll go straight from here. Stop completely. Yeah, I'm first. I'll go first. Yeah, good. Always stop sign. Whoever comes first, that will go first. And that's again always stop sign. It's not written there. Just make sure you see it. Stop here completely. Look around. Everybody's okay. That's good. We are the first one here. And then we will take right here. And you see the pedestrians are around here. Some cars are going around here. Make sure you watch them. Respect pedestrian. But doesn't treat them like a god. If they are walking, just like don't scare them. Don't go too close to them. And somebody's going to look like he's going to park somewhere. So if somebody's parking, let them park. They are not parking, so we're parking here. So check back and then park on the side. That's it. And then examiner is going to tell you, okay, put in parking. Okay, you passed. You meet Mr. Sunday today. Go and get your license from inside. And for the 3-ton parallel parking, uphill and downhill and back parking, make sure you watch my another videos. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you 10 tips how to pass your test. Make sure you watch that 10 tips. That's going to help you a lot.
Hopefully you like my video, and if you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Always bring safe and reliable car. Examiner is going to check your indicators, your brake light and your horn before starting the test. If anything is not working before starting the test, they are going to cancel your test before starting the test. You are going to get fail even before starting the test. So if you think you don't have a reliable car for the test, always contact the driving school, and they have a reliable car for the test. They know what the examiner is expecting in the test. Okay, whenever you go for the test, always park your car like facing forward like this. Don't park facing back on that side, because when you're starting the car, you will be nervous, right? So always better to park like facing forward. So when you go out, you can check like this and then go out for the test. Don't take the car out like this and then start looking, and some people get nervous and get failed just because of that thing only. So always park your car facing forward like this. Always follow the speed limit. Whatever the speed limit is written there, always follow that. If the speed limit say 40 meaning is 39. 50 meaning is 49. 60 meaning is 59. Don't exceed speed limit even for one. Like if it's a 40, don't go 42, 45. Don't think that they are going to let you go like that, right? So they are going to exactly look at the speed limit. So speed limit 40 meaning is 39 only. When you're changing lane, always check 3 things. It's called MSB. Mirror, signal, blind spot. So many people, they just check blind spot like this. Don't check like this. Come, I will show you how to check the blind spot. Come. When you're changing lane, check mirror, signal and blind spot. When you're changing lane to left, look left blind spot like this. When you're changing lane to right, check the right blind spot like this. Don't just check like this, like this. There's a blind spot. When you're changing lane to left blind spot, right blind spot. When you hold your steering, hold steering properly like 10 and 2 and 9 and 3. Don't hold like this. Come, I will show you how to hold the steering. Come. So when you're holding the steering, hold like this. It's called 9 and 3 and 10 and 2. Don't hold like this, don't hold like this, don't hold like this, don't hold like this. Hold like this. This is a 10 and 2, 9 and 3. Always look for the pedestrian, always stop for the pedestrian, whether they are right or wrong, whether they are right of way or not right of way. If they are coming in front of you, make sure you stop for the pedestrian. Treat pedestrian like a king. Like a king is walking in front of you, just stop there. Okay? So don't scare them, don't say them why you're coming, it's not your right of way, not like that. Stop for the pedestrian all the time. Always stop at the stop sign. When there's a stop sign, even if you know that no one is there, make sure you stop at the white line first. Look both sides. No one is there, then go. Sometimes people have seen that they just look, no one is there, they go without stopping there, right? So examiner fail for that. And always not just for the exam, always stop at the stop sign. Make sure you stop at the stop sign completely. Always stop at the red light. If you're driving car and if you're facing the red light, make sure you stop your car first. Then check anyone coming or not, then go to the right side. It's not like that no one is coming, you can just go without stopping. Red light, stop your car first, then see if anyone coming or not. If no one coming, then only go. Don't run in front of the car, you can make it, not like that. Red light, stop car, see if it's clear to do so, then you can go right. Okay, whenever you take a left turn, and after taking left turn, if it's a 2-lane, always go to the leftmost lane, then speed up, and then change it to right. Don't go straight to the rightmost lane, and don't stay in the leftmost lane. If any one of these two, the examiner will fail for that. So don't block the leftmost lane, go to first leftmost lane, then speed up and change it to right lane. When you're turning right on a green light, and when you're turning right there, it's your right of way. But sometimes, like, see the pedestrian, they are walking in front of you, right? When they're walking towards you or going away, just wait for the pedestrian. Always remember, pedestrian is a king. Always stop for the pedestrian. I want to give you one bonus tip. Always remember, it's going to be your test, not instructor's test, not examiner's test, right? And instructor can teach you maximum, and the examiner is going to here to check you. They are not going to give you any tip during the exam. It's going to be your driving test. Okay, don't expect any tip from the examiners. And key to pass the test is practice, practice, practice. More practice you do, better you're going to perform in the test. And best of luck for your test.